Hey guys, it's Alex Teixeira from Current. Hope everyone's doing well. I want to share this video really covering two things. One, describing the virtual customer advisory board practice, and then secondly, showing you a live example on the Current platform. So virtual customer advisory boards, VCABs for short, it's all about aligning your people, your products, and your brands directly with your target market on an ongoing basis. Let's face it, I don't know a CMO that doesn't want to engage with their target market and their target customers all the time. So what's unique about this is that it's always on. It runs 24/7 around the clock in a moderated dialogue, nights, weekends, holidays, because that's what it means to be customer obsessed. It's also managed by a third-party facilitator. They're doing much of the heavy lifting. They're an extension of your team. They're relevant to the subject, and they're also trained and certified on the Current platform. And then the VCABs, they guarantee results. They're scoped towards very specific objectives based on what you're trying to get out of it. Right? So imagine 20 to 30 experts working for you around the clock. What it does is it delivers ROI for a range of different stakeholders. With your product marketing, you're getting ongoing insights into your market's problems, the trends they see, feedback on product roadmaps, feedback on marketing materials, whatever you want to explore in bi-weekly themes, you're able to do so. There's a great deal of content that's generated from it as well in the form of bi-weekly reports, white papers, blog posts, video podcasts, social posts. We even do quote of the day. So there's a great deal of content that comes out of it to help fuel much of your content marketing needs. Very much voice of customer focused. You're also building community that you could continually tap into. What's also unique is that unlike a Facebook group that sits on the Facebook platform, this is all embedded, can be embedded on your landing pages, on your website. It's a white labeled solution. And then lastly, for sales, you're aligning sales more with your customer problems. We're also out there identifying potential customers for you. They're coming in and applying. And those are automatically generated as leads into your CRM system, whether that be Salesforce or HubSpot, whatever you use. So it's very ROI focused. It's scalable across a business. You could literally launch dozens of these without introducing an additional headcount to your team. It's managed for reliable success with your facilitator. And most of all, it's turnkey. It's implemented in just a couple weeks. So very quickly. Now I'm going to transition to a live example. Here we have Sprinklr. They're a social media management tool, engaging with CMOs on our platform, right? So you can see here that the facilitator is Lynn Power. She's the former CEO of J. Walter Thompson at New York, so she's highly relevant to this audience. She's introducing a question. We're exploring these bi-weekly themes, so introducing, sub-question, and experts are coming in to discuss. You can see we introduce a poll, and it's highly collaborative. The CMOs here that we pulled together, they're loving the experience. You can see the caliber of the types of people we brought together. So Wendy Harrington's a CMO. We even have, say, the CMO of Booz Allen Hamilton. So really high caliber people we're able to engage because it's asynchronous, understanding that the smartest people in the world, they're also the busiest. You could see that nuggets of insights are captured in the right. The facilitator, distills these key takeaways, and then experts will vote up some of the more salient comments. If I scroll up, you could see, if I go to some of the other themes, in theme 4, we explored marketing accountability. You could see what came out of it. So the facilitator pulls together an executive summary. You own all the content, by the way, but these exec summaries highlight the key points supported by quotes. We produce slides to support them. This can all be branded, of course, with your design elements. If I go to one of these, see, in this case, we did a video podcast. I could share this example. The platform is very feature rich. So in this case, we have another exercise we have the folks doing is nominating trends on a priority roadmap, right? So we're asking an overarching question, and they'll rank and prioritize. See the range of inputs. You could see how it's even evolved over time. So pretty interesting. So if I click on a point, it'll actually take me down to that exact post where the experts are then justifying your position, their position. So the point there being, feature rich, a lot of engagement. But, ultimately it's all about getting directly to the source of the people you want to engage with, your target customers, getting the most out of them, and leveraging that in the form of content to get back out to the market. Anyway, thank you so much. I know I'm out of time, but we'll talk again soon. Thank you.